It's April the 14th and it's snowing, as you can see out here. It's a Tuesday and he's in the back yelling at the top of his voice because he's having fun. We're gonna run some errands, go to the bank, Cub Foods and stuff. And it looks nice out. It's snowing. I like snow, but it's not that cold actually. But he's in there in the car. I don't know what he's trying to do. All right, we're gonna go to the bank. Thank you for watching our channel. That's me. As you can see, it's snowing. It's snowing and it's snowing and he's misbehaving here. He's honking. So, all right. Peace out, people.
Very cold today.
Keep watching our videos and click the button below. Subscribe. All right. I'll put it on pause for now. All right. Peace. He's right there, misbehaving.
It's cold.
Okay, we're gonna drive now.
This music's good.
It is music. Okay, we're just getting here
Wait, I get to get
at Cub Foods.
12 quarters.